was no time at all.
Today, last minute meals. You have people coming over, you don't even have time to have takeout, and you have food in the freezer, so why not just cook what you have? I'm gonna show you quick ways to defrost and make a complete meal with a chilled glass of wine. First off, let's talk about that steak. Take that steak out of the fridge. Frozen steak, it's rock hard. You gotta defrost this ASAP. So what I'm gonna do, put it on top of a pan, place another pan with hot water, carefully squish it on top, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. While you're doing that, you're gonna cook pasta in half the time. Use an extremely large skillet, add water to it, add pasta. The wider the surface area, the faster it cooks. Okay, make sure your pasta is fully covered. I'm using cold water so it can prevent the pasta from sticking. So now, let's check on our steak. It's already defrosting. Give it a flip, do it this side. This method works because the weight of the water squishes out the steak more and there's more surface area, and metal conducts heat. Therefore, it's gonna warm up a lot faster. Shimmy, shimmy, it helps too. Just be careful, this is extremely hot. So now our steak is ready, defrosted, and now we're gonna get it out of the vacuum seal bag, preheat a cast iron skillet, add some oil, nice and hot, season, flip, hit the pan. Since the steak is really thin, it takes about 5 minutes to defrost and about 1.5 minutes per side. If it's thicker, just cook it longer and defrost for longer. Nice sear.
Do you always have like steak lying around in the fridge?
I do have steak. I have very thin steaks for this reason exactly. People just want to be like, hey, I want to come over. I'm like, okay, sure. So it's ready. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to let this rest so all the juices go back. Let this hang out. Now we have to chill that bottle of wine that I forgot to. Great hack, bowl of water, zip top bag, and alcohol. I'm gonna pour enough for 2 glasses for me and my guest. My guest drinks both glasses. I know you could put the bottle in there, but this way it's a lot faster.
How long do we do that for?
Like 2 minutes. It's really fast. Let's check on the pasta. Most of the water has evaporated. It's ready. And we're gonna finish it up by making the sauce. I'm gonna have some garlic in here, some parm, some heavy cream. The starchy water that the pasta boiled in will help bind it. Pinch of salt, actually just a lot of it because we did not salt our water before. Give that quick stir. And you just want the pasta to be nicely coated. It will reduce while it sits. This will be even faster if you do a smaller portion. So if you're just trying to do it for yourself for dinner, use a regular size skillet and a 1/4 pound. I'm gonna turn this on high and let the water reduce. Let's check on that wine. Ooh, chili. Maybe pour the wine into the glass before your friends come. Move over box wine, we got bag wine. Check on the pasta. With all that sauce, it makes it nice and flavorful. Multitasking at its best.
Oh my God, that was no time at all.
10 minutes. And there's a drink. Better than fast food, but better for you food.